Indigo, page number 51, 52 and 53. Just open your textbook and concentrate some important sentences. Page number 51, last paragraph. Lieutenant Governor of the province had ordered the case to be dropped. Lieutenant Governor is a very high kind of post, and he ordered the case to be dropped. Province means what? Province, the word area. Province means area. Drop means stop. So the Lieutenant Governor of that area ordered to stop the case of Gandhiji, and in this way Gandhiji's case was solved. And not only the case solved, but civil disobedience had triumphed. Civil disobedience. What is civil disobedience? Refusing to obey laws as a peaceful means. Gandhiji was refusing the laws which were made by Britishers. Gandhiji did not agree the blind laws. And here it was the triumph. What is the meaning of triumph? Victory, success. It was the victory or success of civil disobedience, and not only the victory or success of only civil obedience, but it was also the victory of Mahatma Gandhi. In this way, the case of Mahatma Gandhi was solved. This type of thing happened the first time in modern India. So the case of Gandhiji was solved, but the case of sharecroppers was not solved, and that's why now Gandhiji wanted to solve the case of sharecroppers, and it was not very easy. Gandhiji wanted some solid proofs, and that's why Gandhiji and some lawyers, they started to collect the proofs, the evidence, and that's why Gandhi and the lawyers now proceeded means continued, to conduct a far-flung inquiry. Far-flung means deep, spread over a wide area. Yeah, you can say deep inquiry. Gandhiji and the lawyers started deep inquiry, but what about into the grievance of the farmers? Grievances means complaint. Grievance means to complain. In the context of the complaint of farmers. And what was the complaint of the farmers of Champaran? You know very well. In the beginning we have seen. Okay. Depositions by about 10,000 peasants were written down. Deposition means removing somebody from power, but here the meaning is little different. Deposition means written statements. They have taken, Gandhiji and his team, means lawyers, etc. They have taken the written statements of 10,000 farmers. Why? Because they wanted some proof, some evidence, and notes made on other evidence. And not only that, but they also collected the notes of farmers. Documents were collected. They had collected so many documents. And after then what happened? In June, Gandhi was summoned. Summoned means called. To Sir Edward Gate. Sir Edward Gate. He called Gandhiji. Who was Sir Edward Gate? The Lieutenant Governor. Remember, Lieutenant Governor is a very high post. Page number 52. Now Lieutenant Governor called Gandhi and he discussed with Gandhi. Gandhi had 4 protected interviews. Protected means long interview. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. In this way, nearly 4 times he called Mahatma Gandhi to discuss about the issue of sharecroppers. This case, Lieutenant Governor called 4 times to Gandhiji. Gandhi had 4 protected interviews and he had taken 4 interviews of Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi had 4 protected long interviews with the Lieutenant Governor. And Lieutenant Governor listened Mahatma Gandhi. He listened the arguments of Mahatma Gandhi. And now he was thinking very seriously about this issue. And that's why he wanted to work in a very systematic manner. And that's why what he had done. As a result, this person, Lieutenant Governor, appointed an official commission of inquiry. He made a commission of inquiry into the indigo sharecroppers situation. In short, you can say that he made a commission, one type of committee. The commission consisted means included. Who were in this committee, in commission? Landlords, government officials, means some British people who had some authority, and Gandhi. But Gandhiji was alone as the sole representative of the peasants. Sole means only representative of the peasants. Peasants means farmer. So Gandhiji was only one person who was in the favor of farmers in this committee, in this commission. Gandhi remained in Champaran for an initial uninterrupted period of 7 months. Why Gandhiji came to Champaran? Who called Gandhiji? One farmer. He called Gandhiji. He requested Gandhiji. And that's why Gandhiji came to Champaran to solve the case of farmers, sharecroppers. But at that time, Gandhiji did not think that this case would take so much time. Gandhiji was perhaps thinking that this case would be solved within few days. But this case had taken a long period. Gandhiji stayed to Champaran for nearly 7 months. 7 months. We can say almost a year. Now, after the making of this committee, what happened? Now, this was the result of this commission. The Britishers, the landlords, they agreed. They agreed to make refunds to the peasants. They said that we are ready to give money to the farmers in the form of refund. But they had asked one very important question to Gandhi. What was that question? But how much must we pay? They asked Gandhi. They said that okay, we are ready to give money, but how much? Now they were thinking that perhaps Gandhi would ask, he would say 100% amount. But what is the answer of Gandhi? He asked only 50%, 50. Gandhiji did not want 100%. He said only 50%. Now the representative of the planters, means landlords, offered to refund to the extent of 25%. Now the landlords were not ready to give 50%. They said that we are ready to give money to the farmers only 25%. And to his amazement, Mr. Gandhi took him at his word. But Gandhiji surprised the people. Why? Because Gandhi agreed with this. Gandhiji agreed. If they are ready to give only 25%, then also no problem. Gandhi agreed. And in this way, Gandhiji shocked the people. Gandhiji shocked the landlords and British people. And in this way, thus breaking the deadlock. Deadlock means settle a dispute. In this way, Gandhiji settled a dispute. In this way, Gandhiji solved the problem of sharecroppers. I hope you understand. So the problem of sharecropper was also solved. Now one question would arise in your mind, and the question is that why Gandhiji did not ask much amount, 50% or 100%? Why? Then I am giving you the answer, and here also in your book also it is given. According to Gandhiji, money was not so much important, but he wanted to remove the fear from the hearts of the farmers. The fear of landlords, the fear of Britishers, the fear of authorities. Money was not so much important. And that's why Gandhiji agreed. Now we will see some important paragraphs, sentences about Mahatma Gandhi. Page number 53. Now Gandhiji was thinking about the roots of this problem. Why this type of problem arise? What is the reason? And Gandhiji observed one thing. One reason is because the farmers were not educated. Another is the farmers were backwards. So Gandhiji wanted to solve also this thing, and that's why. He saw the cultural and social backwardness. Gandhiji observed the cultural and social backwardness in the Champaran villages and wanted to do something about it immediately. He appealed for teachers, and that's why Gandhiji appealed to the teachers. He wanted to invite the teachers to come to Champaran to give education to the farmers. And with the request of Gandhiji, some people, some teachers came. For example, Mahadev Desai and Narhari Parikh, two young men who had just joined Gandhi as disciples. These two persons were the disciples of Gandhiji. Disciple means pupil, students. And their wives, they came to Champaran with their wives. Means 4 persons came to Champaran. Who are those four persons? Mahadev Desai and his wife, Narhari Parikh and his wife, and volunteered for the war. They became ready to work as volunteer without taking any charge, without taking any fees. Free service. Several more came from Bombay, Pune. Some people came from Bombay, some people came from Pune. Devdas, Gandhi's youngest son, arrived means came. Even Gandhi's youngest son Devdas, he also came from the ashram, and so did Mrs. Gandhi. Not only that, but Mrs. Gandhi, Gandhi's wife, she also came. Mrs. Gandhi, primary schools were opened in 6 villages, and all they came to give education to the backward farmers, those farmers who were illiterate, who were living in backward areas, and in such areas primary schools were opened in 6 villages. Kasturbai is the name of Mahatma Gandhi's wife. Kasturbai taught the ashram rules on the personal cleanliness and community sanitation. Sanitation means cleanliness. Kasturbai taught the lesson of cleanliness. What is the importance of cleanliness? She taught, actually all these are the rules of ashram, and she taught the rules of ashram to the people of Champaran. Health conditions were miserable. Miserable means very, very bad. Because the farmers, they were not taking care of their health. They were not alert or conscious about their health. So Gandhiji was thinking to do something about the health, and that's why. Because in such backward area, the doctor was also not available. So Gandhi got a doctor to volunteer his service for 6 months. Gandhiji called a doctor, and the doctor as a volunteer became ready to give his service for 6 months. Means during the 6 months he had not taken any fees from any person. He was working as volunteer. The doctor was giving free service. And he was giving generally 3 types of medicines. Which 3 types of medicine? Let us see. 3 medicines were available. Which type of 3 medicines? Castor oil, quinine, and sulfur ointment. Now let us see, it is very interesting. Anybody who showed a clotted tongue, if any person has a problem of in the layer of the tongue, then was given a dose of castor oil, then the doctor would give him the dose of castor oil. Anybody with malaria, anybody with malaria fever received quinine plus castor oil. If any person has the disease of malaria, then the doctor would give him quinine tablet and castor oil. Anybody with skin eruptions, if any person has a problem in the skin, we can say skin disease, then received ointment plus castor oil. So the doctor would give him her ointment and castor oil. Now, what is ointment? What is the meaning of ointment? Ointment means a soft, greasy substance used for healing cuts and sores. Gandhi noticed the filthy state of women's clothes. Filthy means dirty. Gandhiji observed that the condition of women who were living in Champaran, it was very, very bad. They were wearing very dirty clothes, and that's why he asked Kasturbai to talk to them about it. So he asked to his wife, and he suggested that his wife should talk with the women. And when Kasturbai communicated the women, then what happened? One woman took Kasturbai into her hut and said, "Look, there is no box or cupboard." So one woman had taken Kasturbai in her hut, and she said that she had not a cupboard or no any box for clothes. "The sari I am wearing is the only one I have." That woman said to Kasturbai that I have no any clothes to wear. I have no any cupboards. I have only one sari which I wore. So this was the condition of the Champaran women. We can say poverty was much in that area. During his long stay in Champaran, Gandhi kept a long distance watch on the ashram. Gandhiji was living in Champaran, but he was in the touch, in the contact of ashram also. He sent regular instruction by mail and asked for financial accounts. So Gandhiji was sending letters to the ashram, and he was also discussing about the financial issue of ashram. Once he brought to the residents that it was time to fill in the old latrine trenches. Gandhiji brought that now it is time that you should fulfill the old latrine trenches. What is the meaning of trenches? Trench means a long, narrow hole in the ground. Generally, here in the context of this sentence, we can say that the hole of latrine. So Gandhiji brought that you should fill old latrine trenches, old latrine holes, and dig new ones. And you should dig new ones. You should make new holes. Otherwise, the old ones would begin to smell bad. Otherwise, there would be bad smell from the old latrine trenches. So we can say that Gandhiji was very conscious about the cleanliness, and he gave the message of cleanliness also. So I hope that you understand properly.